All right. Ooh, all right. Here we go. I am in the frame, I believe. I'm at the beach, ladies, gents, peeps, kids, whoever. It's really beautiful. I'll show you very quickly so I don't lose this frame. Super nice day here in Florida. Can't beat it. I'm also the only one on the beach. It's Monday morning. I mean, how cool is that? I think it's pretty cool. This looks pretty good. Yeah. So, excited to share my reflection today. There's a really cool prompt. I was on the way over here and I was thinking about this mantra, Autumn did my hair a little bit last night. It kind of came out, but I'm going to the Renaissance Fair next weekend, so getting myself mentally prepared and getting into my inner medieval champion. Yeah. So having fun with it. And she braided my hair and it looks really cool. So I'm just, feeling really cool. Anyway, came over here and, I had this mantra that I wanted to bring into this year. I have several that I live by that I consciously say, 5, 10, 15, 20 times a day. There's a new one that I've been adding that I really also feel like I want to bring into this year, 2024. So I'm going to read my prompt today was, what is the current motto or mantra I live by and why? What does this mantra reveal about myself? Are these words in alignment with who I want to be? So I feel like this is a really great builder from some of the other prompts that I've had myself go through these last, this is day 6, so the last 5 days, about who am I, who I want to be, how do I need to act, how do I need to be, I think this is a great builder, so I'm going to play. So, first and foremost, what is the current motto or mantra I live by and why? There are 2 mantras I say all the time, practically to everyone, well really 3, but another one I am adding into the mix, like I said. The first one is presence, peace, power, which you'll see at the bottom of every caption, the start of everything I do, through everything I say. Presence, peace, power, which is really just a series of energetic states that I practice and share with my clients and try and help them sustain. The second is legends find a way, which might be my favorite. It is OG, it is the foundation of Leaders to Legends, the men's group, the men's retreats, the men's coaching program that I host. I discovered it on a Pillars of Growth meetup back in Pennsylvania. That's where I'm from, and Pillars of Growth is actually the name of my company. Yeah, pretty cool. It essentially means no matter what, I will come through. And finally, patience, practice, persistence, prosperity highlights the order of priorities and how things truly grow. I repeat it to myself every single time I catch myself trying to force things or rush them. If you force things or rush them, just remember, patience, practice, persistence, prosperity. Even the way I say it slows me down. Patience first. I have to approach everything with patience. If I'm not approaching with patience, then I'm going to feel like I'm not getting what I want fast enough. Patience. The ocean took millions of years to take up 60, 70%. It rained forever, didn't it? Think about that. The ocean waited a long time. I can too. Patience, practice. I have to continuously repeat this pattern that is bringing me what I want. Patience, practice, persistence. I have to be willing to work through the adversity, the difficulties, the obstacles when it comes, and prosperity. If I do those 3 things on repeat, I will sustain a state of prosperity, a state of living with wealth of all kinds. Anyway, and then I had this thought, which is amazing. Powerful mantras feed powerful people. Powerful mantras feed powerful people. They feed them. Powerful mantras feed me. When I'm feeling hungry, yeah, that's right. When I'm like, oh man, oh yeah, I forgot about that. That's always true. This is 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 always true. It's a repeat, man. I've programmed myself. I reprogram myself. That's how this works. You reprogram yourself. It really is how it works. It's so ridiculous. It's so true. And it's honestly hilarious that a lot of people don't believe it's true. It's true. I promise. Okay. Anyways, the new one I'm adding, and this is what today's prompt is really, the reflection is really about for me. The new one I'm adding is be bold and go hard as fuck. Okay. Be bold and go hard as fuck. I feel that in a season of me wanting to be seen, because I do, that's why I'm making this. I want people to see me. I want them to see that for the last 12, 13, 14 years, I have been spending all of my time getting to know myself. And in that time, I have also helped a lot of people get to know themselves. And now I feel ready to tell a lot of people how I got to know myself and how I help other people get to know themselves so that we can all get to know ourselves better. Which means when we go into the diner, we go into the coffee shop, when we're at the grocery store, when we're hanging around town, we're just so much more friendly because we understand each other at so much deeper levels, because we understand ourselves at deeper levels. That to me feels amazing. Okay, wanting to be seen at new levels, a certain boldness is also present. This is bold. I'm on a beach, I'm talking to the camera. I don't know what all that noise is. I'm here, like I'm present, right? Even this series to me is bold. New platform, no one watching really yet at all, but the vision that many will. It really is about being bold and going hard AF. Feels like bringing the part of me that is competitive and wants to surge forward and letting him run. Feels powerful. And it feels due. And for those of you who don't know, I mean, I've been an athlete my entire life. I was a competitive swimmer when I was a kid. I was very good. I always won, and I liked to win. And then in high school, I played 2 other sports. I played football, I played lacrosse, and I didn't put as much time into swimming, and so I started to get 2nd place or 3rd place. And I would be losing by like inches to kids who swam all year round, and it got me so upset. Like I was like, my identity was so much in winning and being an athlete, I couldn't handle that. So I actually like stopped swimming because I just couldn't handle it, couldn't deal with it. And when I think about this, there's a part of me though that's that competitor that's like, you know, in a relay race, when I'm the anchor, I'm the last person to go, and I can see the person has a half a lap lead on me or a quarter of a lap, and I know that I gotta catch him and I can beat him. Like that surge and desire to want to go and go as hard as I possibly can is still within me. Presence, peace, power, patience, practice, persistence, prosperity, legends find a way. They have helped me to shape myself to be more well-rounded and more in harmony. Back then, I only had one mode, which was surge forward and go hard as fuck. So in a lot of ways, this last like 10 years has been me shifting away from that into a much more present and peaceful person. And this new stage of being seen is me reintegrating this very competitive part of myself back into who I am. And that's called integration or reintegration. I don't want to use all these fancy spiritual words or just words in general, but that's what that is to me. It's a reintegration. I'm reintroducing myself to a part of myself that in the past I let control and run the ship and who ran me into the ground, because eventually that competitive person ran me into the ground. I couldn't keep up with the pace of not achieving what I wanted to achieve, and that left me feeling like shit. I knew I had to change something, and so I have. Presence, peace, power, for example. Anyway, being bold and going hard feels like bringing that part of me that's competitive and wants to surge forward back out. Like I woke up this morning, I went for a walk, and on my walk I noticed like the last 3 walks I've had a pep. I'm like, yeah, I'm ready to do this video. I'm excited. This is how I'm going to do it. I want to do it. I'm excited to do it. I have a whole nother 30-day thing I want to do after this. I can see myself making so many videos. I can see myself being on YouTube. I feel like I found a putt. Whoa. Slow down, Graham. You can just hear all those words. That's what goes on in my head. Slow down, brother. Presence, peace, power. Patience, practice, persistence, prosperity. I'm going to get there. There's no hurry. So, I live by these mantras because they are true for me. Presence, peace, and power is who I am. If you're around me, you'll notice I'm present. If I'm with you, I'm most likely. Sometimes I'm on my phone. Sometimes I'm thinking about other things. 95 to 98% of the time, I'm right there with you, and I'm genuinely curious about what's going on in your life. Peace. I don't even have a word. I just said chill. I'm chill. Power. Man, do I bring it? I bring it. I bring it. I bring it. I bring it. It's ingrained in me. You know? Feel it. I am it. Legends find a way is how I live. I love this. Of all the things, this is the one I want on my grave or wherever I get casted to the oblivion. Legends find a way, which is just so badass. It really is. And patience, practice, persistence, prosperity is the way that I grow. It's how I hone myself. Every time that I would say I'm like a little tree, a little bush, and I'm growing branches out too fast before I'm really tall enough to really sustain that and the roots are deep enough. It's like, no, don't. I know you want to, Graham. I know I want to grow these branches out now and have birds sit on my tree, aka be seen. But we're not ready yet. We just got to keep funneling up the dip, keep bringing the energy up. We'll grow taller and taller and taller. You can keep growing taller. Let's grow taller. And going hard AF is who I am reintegrating into my life and who I invited back to a seat at my table of brilliance or table of genius or table of sages in my mind. These mantras reveal, right? So what do these mantras reveal about me? That's the second part of this question. These mantras reveal to me, I prefer harmony and balance. I like to be in tune with the natural flow, and like the tree swerving its way to the top of the canopy, I too always find a way to go higher. It reveals I am a student at heart to the natural laws and the universal laws at play and try to stay in alignment with them. I'm not perfect, but I'm very good. It also reveals I am entering and have entered a new season. Time to play. It is time to play. I have a big machine coming by. I got 2 machines coming by. So in the meantime, play. Again, only person on the beach. It's so cool. Thank you, Graham, for creating a life that you get to do this. This is sick. All right. Are these words in alignment with who I want to be? Yes. I believe one who adheres to the words he speaks and lives by is in alignment. However, new words can be added. Be bold. That is who I'm becoming. A man not afraid to share his life, message, heart, and mind. That is power to me. For the others, they are me and who, what, and how I am. Anyone around me can see it and feel it. These mantras are my rhythm of life. Present, peaceful, powerful, patient, always moving deeper, always moving higher. Legends find a way. I believe one who adheres to the words he speaks and lives by is in alignment. However, new words can be added. Be bold. God, that is so cool. So true. Be bold. That is who I'm becoming, a man not afraid to share his life, message, heart, and mind. That is power to me. Yeah, that felt good. I feel fired up and thankful. I also feel like this. So, with all that said, I'm wishing you all an incredible day. Choose the words you live by wisely. When you do choose them, honor them, live through them, repeat them, reprogram yourself to be however you want to be. And let me know your mantras. That's so cool. I want to hear them. I want to bring them in. I want to bring that energy in. Let me get some of that sauce. I'm ready. Be good, be safe. Much love always. Presence, peace, and power be with you all. Legends find a way.